Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, and today we are going to make a melody from a chord progression. All right, so if you have a chord progression and you want to make a melody from it, it is pretty simple actually to do. You just need to think about what notes are in your chord progression and then make a melody with some of those. Okay, so for example, if we have a G chord as our starting chord, okay, we have a few notes we can choose from for a melody line, and it's B, D, or G. Okay, so let's say we're going to start on G. That can be our first melody note. Okay, so I'm going to use this chord progression of G, D over F sharp, E minor 7, and C. Okay, so we've got G as our first melody note. And then if we go to the D chord, really whatever is on the top is going to sound like the melody. So if we want A on top, we've got D, F sharp A. We can play that one. So we've got now E minor 7 has those notes. So whichever one you want to put, E, G, B, D, you can just see what you think might sound good. So we've got G, A, we've got up to D, and we can add more than one. And then we've got our C chord. Okay, so that was just making this up. All right. Now, you don't have to have all melody from that chord, and we can add in extra notes if we want to. So whatever works. Basically you are going to take a note from the chord, a note from the next chord, a note from the next chord, or more than that. It's just making those up. So what you need to know, however, to play this is what key you're in. So because I'm in the key of G, I've got F sharps to worry about here. So I'm never going to play F. I'm going to play F sharp. So that's just what you need to think of to play a melody. And you just want it to stand out above everything else you're playing. And if it does that, it will sound like a melody. If you want to make sure you can play the same thing again, then write it down or play it a lot of times so that you remember it, or record it for yourself so that you could hear it again. But that's basically what you need to do. Okay, so I would recommend you now just to go and grab a few chord progressions or make one up yourself and just give it a try. So the key is just to make it stand out above everything else. And that's about it. So I look forward to seeing you next time. If you need help with melody and chords, you can always go and check out the course, Making Melody for Beautiful Piano Chords, which is one of my courses in the Piano Chords Club. I just finished recording that one. So that will be a great one for anyone who wants to get better at playing melody with chords. All right, and I'll see you next time. Bye.